ஐயோ நான் ஏன் பஸ் வரணும்? ஓ எல்லாரும் வரலாமா? இப்படி கட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன்.
Guys, today is the 11th of October 2020. We finished our class in Karak. On the way, we stopped by a shop and we saw a fish shop. They were selling live fish. Live fish now. We're going to give them life back. We could only afford to buy about 20 fishes now. We found a river right now here. Oh! Coming down the river. Prana. The river now. God, thank you for bringing us here today. We're now here. We're doing our best to live whatever we can in this mighty river that we're flowing through. The nature brings of the river, the nature brings of all the nature here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am a being of divine fire. I am the purity brother. I am a being of divine fire. I am a being of divine fire. I am the purity God. We're going back to the workshop today. We're going back now, back home. We've got Kala here, she's with us, and we've got Lechu Amoy, they help us now, and we have all the fish here. And we're going to let them go in this mighty river. Each and every drop of water is a drop of divine fire. Each and every drop of water is purity God. All this water will eventually reach the ocean, the sea, and it's going to go to South China Sea. This is Pahang. You'll all find a way, and all this water actually come from the ocean, and the sea, and eventually they go back to all of them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am a being of divine fire. I am the purity God. Every drop of water bubble. Now, thank you to all the nature. We ask forgiveness for whatever wrongdoings we may have knowingly or unknowingly committed in this lifetime and lifetime with us. As penance for all this wrongdoing, we're letting our life into nature. God, thank you, thank you. Please accept our humble offering of life back to ocean. Thank you, thank you. We have eaten many, many fish over the years. We ask forgiveness for whatever wrong we have done. Thank you for providing all of this body. All of this body I have with me is from the ocean, in the form of water, in the form of life in Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The water is going now, putting them inside, let the water slowly go inside and see what happens. They'll find a way. Actually, they're very, very happy, and one just left them, another one is going. Let them find their way. Come on, guys, we got to go now. We got to go now. Yes. Yes, go. Wow. See what you're doing now. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Hey, don't just stand there. Just stand there. Don't worry. Just stand there. They've got freedom. They've all going to the market to be killed. And you're setting them free now. They're the fish now. Come on, guys. Better go now. Yes. Right.
Wow, freedom, freedom.
Just stand there, don't do it, just stand there. Just stand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You feel that they're all in captive, they're all grown in little pots of a tent, and now they're here now, they're all going to go. I'm a being of divine fire, I am the purity. Each and every life of Mother Earth, a life of divine fire, each and every life of Mother Earth is purity God. Go in peace and be with Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you. We hope one day we can do more than this. We give life to more of these fish. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm a being of divine. Look at that thing. He doesn't know where to go. Look. He's surprised to see how come I can move everywhere. How come I move? What's happening here? What's happening here? What's happening? They're going back now. So we hope we can all do this one day to everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hey guys, thank you very much for being with us. Thank you for all of you for joining us today. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. Beautiful scenery of this river. Thank you. It's actually a settlement for the Orang Asli in Malaysia, the Aborigines. The settlement here, and this river goes, people live by the river. Thank you to all the fish. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Done.